There's something fishy about this murder case. You need to dig deeper and expose the truth.
Agreed. Let's investigate the police handling of the evidence and any potential cover-ups.
Good morning, Your Honor. New evidence has come to light indicating the involvement of another suspect in the murder of Aisha Ibrahim.
Proceed with caution. This trial will not be compromised and repeated.
Your Honor, may I call Muhammad Adnan to the witness?
Okay, go ahead.
Muhammad Adnan, please come to the witness. Tell the court what happened.
I saw another person near the glancing on that victim. It was someone who had a grudge against her.
Who is that person?
Sophia Abdullahi.
Thank you.
Does the prosecution lawyer have any question for the witness?
No, Your Honor.
The court adjourned to next sitting.
Every parent's dream is to see their dear children grow to become great and responsible members of the society, to be an asset for the socio-economic development of the society. Education is the clinical tool for molding and fashioning of the destiny of our children. Come with me to a great citadel of education. Join me as we explore Garima Standard Academy. Welcome to Garima Standard Academy, Mina. Situated beside the Federal University of Technology, Mina, Niger State, Garima Standard Academy is divided into 6 unique blocks. The Jakadon Gwandu Auditorium, Primary Block, Secondary Block, Buhari Garden, Sport Arena, and the Hostels Block. Jakadon Gwandu Auditorium, named after the proprietor Alhaji Abubakar Megandi Garima's traditional title, Jakadon Gwandu Auditorium is a 2,000-seater multipurpose hall to the immediate right of the entrance gate. It is suitable for events like dinners, lectures, seminars, and other prestigious events. The Primary Block. The Primary Block houses the creche, nursery, and primary sections. It has also an ample space for library and an office for the head teacher and the assistant. The primary block is not in lack of a playground, as we believe all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. The sports arena. Directly opposite the primary playground is our magnificent sports arena, a large sector of land containing a football, basketball, and volleyball fields. And if you are a lover of gyms and athletics, this is a place for you. The secondary block. Flagshipping the secondary block is the educational tower, an outstanding, magnificent building housing the administrative section of the school. This contains the principals, vice principals, and the director's offices, amongst others. Surrounding the educational tower is the junior and senior secondary school classrooms, laboratories, and library. For the health and proper hygiene of the students, we made available multiples of state-of-the-art conveniences should nature call. The Buhari Garden. Right next to the secondary block is the school's garden, named after the president, Buhari Garden contains animals like hybrid Canadian bulls and cows, horses, sheep, and goats. We also have a poultry farm where you will find turkey, chicken, and prestigious birds of all kinds. If you are a lover of aquatic lives, then you will love our fish pond. The hostel block. At Garima Standard Academy, we consider and treat your children as royalties. So, we build them an accommodation worthy of princes and princesses. Situated on a straight course from the entrance gate, the hostel block is divided into two equal halves. The boys' hostel, which we call Prince Educational, and the girls' hostel, which we call Princess Educational. Right at the entrance of the hostel block is a state-of-the-art medical center for the care of the health of the students, teachers, and the entire school staff. Each of the hostels, Prince Educational and Princess Educational, have a dedicated mosque, dining hall, and kitchen. For the relaxation of our students, each hostel is provided with a multimedia common room. The boys' hostel common room, named after the principal, is called Hassan Suleiman Ogido's Villa, and the girls' hostel common room, named after the vice principal, is called Muhammad Umar Danlame's Villa. The boys' hostel, Prince Educational, is divided into 4 cottages: Garima Lexical Cottage, IBB Lexical Cottage, Mariam Babangida Lexical Cottage, and Umar Farouk Bahago Lexical Cottage. The girls' hostel, Princess Educational, is also divided into 4 cottages. They are Aisha Lemu Lexical Cottage, Abubakar Sani Bello Lolo Lexical Cottage, Abdul Salam Abubakar Lexical Cottage, and Yahaya Abubakar Etsunupe Lexical Cottage. Garima Standard Academy Mina is the place to be. Don't miss out. Garima Standard Academy. My choice. Your choice. Their choice. Our choice. Everyone's choice.